In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Slides presentations. Start by opening your web browser and heading to slides.google.com. You'll land on the Google Slides homepage, and if you're signed in, your work will save automatically in Google Drive. This is your starting point for building a presentation from scratch or using a pre-designed look. If you want a completely clean slate, click Blank Presentation. This opens a new deck with a simple title slide. It's perfect when you already have a clear idea of your style and layout. If you'd rather save time and get a polished look right away, click Template Gallery. You'll see categories like business, education, and personal. Browse until you find a design that fits your purpose, maybe a project update, a lesson plan, or a portfolio, and click it to open. Now customize your presentation. Replace any placeholder titles and text with your own content. Use the toolbar to format text, change fonts, and adjust colors so everything is readable. The layout menu helps you switch slide structures like title and body, 2 columns, or section headers, while the theme panel lets you change the entire deck's color palette and typography in one go. To enrich your slides, go to Insert to add images, shapes, charts, videos, or diagrams. You can drag and drop items to reposition them and use the left sidebar to reorder slides or duplicate one that's already formatted the way you like. Add speaker notes beneath each slide to guide what you'll say without cluttering the visuals. Keep text concise, use high contrast colors for accessibility, and maintain consistent margins so your slides look professional. If you want a touch of motion, open the transition options to add subtle slide transitions or simple object animations. Just keep them minimal so the message stays clear. When you're ready to present, click Slideshow at the top. Your presentation goes full screen, and you can advance with the arrow keys. If you need to tweak anything, press Escape to exit, make quick edits, and start the slideshow again. If you need a file to share or submit, click File in the top left, choose Download, and then pick the format that fits your goal. Microsoft PowerPoint.ptx is ideal if someone will edit in PowerPoint. PDF keeps the layout fixed for easy sharing. Open Document Presentation, .odp, supports open source tools. For a single slide, export as JPEG, PNG, or SVG to use it as an image. And that's it. Open Google Slides, choose a blank deck or a template, customize thoughtfully, present with slideshow, or download in the format you need. You're all set to create a clear, polished presentation.